Meron tayong customer. We have a customer here from Jamaica.
Oh, this is good.
Okay. How's the
He made
you
it.
taste?
It's the one who made it.
Huh?
It's the one
This
who...
one? Yeah, it's
Yeah.
spicy. It's good.
you
So, just squeeze this in it.
you taste it and say something. Yes, we have this customer here from Jamaica, friend of sister. Okay, what's the taste? You say something.
It's good.
Good,
It's good.
good.
Oh, I love it.
You first time taste it?
Yes, first time, very first time, but it's good. Okay, oh, the soup is good.
Okay.
Yeah. I never eat soup with this, the egg. Always see, never eat.
Only in the Philippines?
I never eat it before.
Oh, first time, huh?
Saan ka yan? Kaya hindi putot mo na eh. Nakayat ipapakanti sa bali. Kapakanin.
Okay, my friend, huh? Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Yes. Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
What you say?
What can you say?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yes. How you say delicious in? Masarap.
Okay, masarap.
Masarap. Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you, thank you, my friend.
Mwah. Good.
Okay.